Hello, Forest. Hello, Forest. Let's go to St. Joseph, everyone. Ayun, St. Joseph. Yay! Shortcut guys dito. Shortcut. Wala pang dahon. Malapit na magkadahon. Hello, bird. Where's the bird? St. Joseph. St. Joseph. Squirrel. Bonjour, squirrel. Hello, bonjour. May kudit-dit dyan. Mga natumbang puno. Kudit-dit. Ilocano na kudit-dit. Naima siya pasagpaw ti dinengdeng. Kudit-dit. 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 Forest. Doon tayo galing guys. Shortcut. Oh, baba. May nakatira ata dito, homeless. Diyan. Daming gamit oh. May homeless nga dyan nakatira. Para tayo na sa probinsya. Para nasa probinsya tayo. Ayun no, ang view. Hello, view. Malamig guys, mahangin. Nasa tugtog na tayo ng ibok-ibok. Ayun, St. Joseph over there. Sige kayo, wala kayong maparkingan ngayon. Dahil this is the special day of the kids for having a confirmation. I think there are 400. So, visitors not allowed. No parkingan. No parkingan. Not allowed. You must walk going up. Don't bring your car. Don't bring your car. Let's go up, guys. Bakit may ano doon? May sasakyan. Ay, mga nauna na siguro yan. Guys, ayan o. Tutubuan ng mga ano. Pako. St. Joseph. Tignan natin yung garden. Sige kayo, bababa kayo dyan. Bababa yun yung. Then balik. I-jump nyo na. I-jump nyo na yung car. I-jump yun ang car. Ayan o. It's growing. It's growing now guys. Growing. Ayan ang rose. Messi, good job! Garden. Ayun, ang garden. May natubo. Ano natubo? Broccoli? This is not broccoli. Ayun, galing sa parkingan, guys. May harang. May harang ng parkingan. Small ano to, guys. Oh, ayan na. Ba, St. Joseph. It's yun, St. Joseph. St. Joseph, that's St. Joseph, guys. Dito, maganda mag-upo-upo dito pag may, ano na, may dahon-dahon na. Relaxing. Feel relaxing. Upo. Yan. Maraming ano ngayon, may guys. The kids coming here. My kids too. They're having a confirmation in the month of June. So everyone, the whole Montreal kids were having a confirmation. They coming here together. It's like 400 kids. And then we need to walk going downtown. Ano yan? Penitensya. Mag-walk kami hanggang downtown. There, we're going to Basilica. The stair. Ayun. Andito na tayo sa pinakatastas, guys. Woo! Itong parkingan. O yun, ang church. So big. Yan, this small St. Joseph. This one is small St. Joseph, guys. This one. Yeah. That one. And this the big one. We're going inside. Saint Mary. Saint Paul. This one, guys, for my kids church.